Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel. My name is Anas, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in the comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment. If you are wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video, I will show you how to change the drop-down menu text color for your Shopify store. So changing the text color for the drop-down menu on Shopify, you cannot do that unfortunately from the theme customizer. Actually, all the small things like this, you cannot change them or edit them from the Shopify theme. You will have to add a custom code that will do the trick for you. And that's exactly what I'm about to do in this video. I will show you how to change the drop-down menu text color for a Shopify store easily by adding a custom code that will do that for any Shopify theme. This trick will work for any Shopify theme. And as always, I do test my tricks or my code on 3 themes, the Refresh theme, Sense theme, and Down theme. And demonstration I'll be using Down theme because I know most people now using Down theme. It's the most popular one. So a couple of days ago I did post a video on how to change the background for the drop menu on Shopify header. And I forgot to mention one important thing, which is if you want to change the background for the drop down menu, you should be able as well to change the text color, because if you did set the background color for the menu as something brighter, the white text will not look properly. So you will need to set the text color on the drop down menu for something much darker. That makes sense, right? That's exactly why I'm making this video, because as I said, I did make that video on how to change the background for the drop down menu, and in this video I will show you how to change the text color for the drop down menu. So even if you did set it to a brighter color, you can change the text color for something darker in color in order to be shown or to be visible easily for the customer. And if you are wondering what I'm talking about, is this one right here. And if you notice, I just hover over with the mouse and it does show me the menu, as you can see. I don't have to click. And down theme, most of the themes, they don't have this option. So if you are interested in how to add the hover effect like this on your Shopify header, make sure to check out my channel. And the second thing you might notice or not is there is no underline once I hover over the menu, as you can see. On down theme, the regular theme, most of the themes, if you hover over the menu, it will show an underline in here. And there is no option again to change that from the theme customizer. In my video, I did show how to add that, how to remove the underlines from the menu once you hover over them. But for this video, what I'm talking about is the text color on the menu in here, as you can see. In my previous video, as I said, I did show how to set the background color to any color you want. And this video, I will show you how to set the text color in here. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. But before we start, if this video helped you out, help me out pressing that like button. I would really appreciate it. It will take you like a couple of seconds to press the like button, and it will help a lot, and it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. So I would really appreciate it. And let's just quit talking and let's get to it. By the way, as you can see, the Shopify store is down theme, and they implement a lot of things on it. And every small detail you cannot find anywhere else on YouTube or any website, I did show them in videos and in a clear explanation with the code as well and with my support as well. So if you are interested in how to add any of these or customize your Shopify store to make it unique and branded, make sure to check out my channel. But for now, let's just quit talking and let's just get to it to change the text color on the drop down menu in here. And obviously we're gonna keep this page and we will do the changes and come back in here, reload the page, and after that the text on the drop menu should change. So let's just access the Shopify dashboard, obviously. After that, click on the online store on the left menu, then click on the 3 dots on left of customize right here. After that, click on edit code right here. Then it will take you to the code editor for your Shopify theme. The next thing you're going to do is access the assets folder right here at the bottom of the page. Simply click on it and it will show you a bunch of files in here. Then click on base.css and it will be either theme.css or base.css. And most of the themes now, they use base.css. So simply click on it and it will show you a lot of CSS code. And no worries, we will not edit any code or anything like that. As I said, I will provide you the very short code and it will do the trick. And even though if you have any issues or you didn't understand anything, just drop me a comment. I will be happy to help you out. After that, the next thing you're going to do is scroll down all the way down to the bottom of the page. Let me drag this down because it's a pretty big file. And here we are. We are at the bottom of the page. After you did reach the bottom of the page, the next thing you're going to do is, as always, scroll down the description box and you will see a link named as code. And you won't have to pay for it or anything like that. Simply click on it and it will take you to this page right here where you're gonna see a very short code, 5 lines to be exact. And this little code right here will do the trick of changing the text color on the drop down menu. So simply select the whole code in here, then right click and copy. After that, get back to the code editor, which is base.css, and make sure to paste it at the bottom of the page. So make sure you do access a new line, fresh line in here, nothing on it, then simply paste in the code. After that, you see this little line right here. It says color, 2 dots, and there is a hex color in here. So this is a hashtag and some numbers and characters. So simply click, select the hashtags, the hex color, and we're going to copy it and access Google search engine, simply paste it in here. It will show you this widget. So make sure to play around with the color. Actually, let me keep it as a yellow. Then after you did select the color you want, simply copy this code right here by clicking on this spot right here. It will copy the code, the hex color for it, and get back in here and replace the previous one. So let's just select the old one and simply paste in the new one. After that, let's just click on save, and after the changes were saved, we will get back to the Shopify store, the drop down menu in here, and the text right now should be this color right here. So let's just reload the page and see if that will work or not. And it will actually, because I know all my code, all my tricks, they actually work. Otherwise, I will not pause the video. So let's just reload the page, and right now let's just hover over them, and here we go. Check out the color for the text right now. It's yellow, as you can see. The same as the color that we did pick in here, as you can see. So it does work fine. And if you are interested in how to change the background for the drop down menu, then make sure to check out my channel. I already posted that video. Otherwise, I think my job is done. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop one below in the comment, or check out my Instagram right here below me. But for now, I'll see you in the next one.